they caught him with 36 barrels of gunpowder, hidden right under Parliament. And every year since, people have celebrated it with fire. In 1605, Guy Fawkes stood guard over barrels of gunpowder, part of a plan to destroy the king and Parliament, born in a time when faith and power were at war. The plot failed before dawn, and London woke to relief that the king had survived. That night, bonfires were lit in thanksgiving, and their glow became tradition. Centuries later, fireworks still burst across Britain, echoing both rebellion and relief, a story retold in every spark. He tried to change his world with fire. Instead, he gave it a night of remembrance and light.